If you are unable to access your Revolut account due to missing verification codes, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Revolut app. Open the Revolut app on your mobile device. If you cannot access your account, proceed to the next step. Step 2. Select Need Help. On the login screen, look for the Need Help option. Tap on it to access the support section where you can find recovery options. Step 3. Choose I can't access my account. In the support section, select the option that states I can't access my account. This will guide you to the relevant recovery procedures. Step 4. Provide account information. Follow the prompts to enter your account information, such as your email address or phone number linked to your account. This information will help Revolut identify your account. Step 5. Contact customer support. Before starting recovery, use the /com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you should be able to recover access to your Revolut account even without verification codes. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from customer support.